No filter. This should be a no filter day.
Whatever.
It's a special day. You can't use filter.
Why I'm mataba there?
No filter. No
I don't
filter.
have a makeup on.
So you're
What is
just
this?
fine.
What is this?
Just it's a gift.
Oh
That's
wow.
all.
What
Right?
is that? What is this?
It's a backup batteries.
Power bank. Oh, I need this every time we travel.
They're wrapped, yeah.
You need to open the gift that's from your children.
Open it.
To Iris from
Open
Ryan.
it.
I want the from the girls.
Okay. Find it.
Hand. What is that?
This is also Dad.
It's all from Dad.
Hand warmer. Oh my God. This is the one like Sonia. Oh, that's cute.
There's nothing labeled here.
Maybe I taped it. I taped it so it wouldn't.
Dad,
Oh, this is from Dad.
Dad, this is no label here.
That's Mommy Shine.
To who?
From
who?
me.
From Kyla and Kiana. Where is it?
The green one?
Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you have girls?
What was
What
that?
is that?
Warmer.
Oh.
In my packet.
Where though?
No need to wear gloves.
Wait, give her this one.
Thank you, my love.
Here you go. We don't know if that's.
And also
No,
chargeable.
it's not from
It's
us.
Yeah,
not
the green
something
one's-
to
that's
eat.
the green
Yeah.
one from us.
That's
Yeah.
cute.
Green ones?
Yeah.
This is probably this one.
Allah, you're so.
Okay, fine. Mommy sign. This is
Elegant.
probably from Dad
This is
or
from-
not.
Chose it.
I
Yeah,
chose
because
I chose this one. Chose.
no, not that one.
I chose this one.
This is from both of you.
I chose
Oh, yeah?
It was expensive.
It was very expensive. I chose it though.
Oh yeah? Is it from
She
the
was
bottom
with
of
me
your
when I
heart to choose
bought.
this?
Yeah. So I'm the one who chose it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
From the bottom
I
of your
thought it was
heart?
a better
Yes, from the
gift.
bottom of my heart.
From them, I thought it was a better gift.
Thanks for Kyla. So I bought it. I asked Dad.
Ta-da! Mother,
told
did you
Dad.
open your gift na?
No.
Scissor, Kyla, again.
Flip it over, babe.
Ta-da! Okay.
Yeah, Mommy sign.
Is it that?
Is this the one?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, this ain't the one. It's that one over there. That's the other one.
Oh, then that's Dad's.
This is from me.
Yeah, that's from Dad.
'Cause it hasn't been opened, right? No,
Yeah. No, this one's heavy. This is very heavy.
that's not from the gold one's from you girls.
Oh,
This
that
is
one is?
from you.
Does it say to Mommy Shine from
It says Yomot.
Ordenwood? One of them. Maybe it's that one behind you.
again.
But this is from me. Go ahead.
This is from you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything's from you. What is ours?
I think
Yeah,
it's a
where's your
purple
gift
one.
to me, girls?
Exactly.
God, this is the one.
I know what it is.
Is
I
this
know
from
it's
the
one of those.
girls?
No.
No, it's from Dad. I know one from TikTok.
What is that? What is that?
And then the girls ruin it again?
What is-
Going to ruin it?
Oh, I
I
thought
hope
it was
not,
that. I
because
thought
that
it
shit
was like
went
that
cheap.
instant hot.
Well, then Mommy said, how about you watch it yourself if it's a new phone?
This one's for me, Dad. This one's for me.
Oh my God.
You should open it.
Let that up. No, Dad, wait.
No, that's for me. It's for me. It's fine.
Yeah, no, you wait.
Gante. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Don't touch this, girls. I'm the only one watch this. Never touch this, girls, okay?
Okay. Okay.
The girls are happy with that. ain't
Yeah,
they?
we're happy.
Yeah, we don't have to hand wash.
Oh.
You tell us to hand wash it? No. Say it
You're
again.
so
say it again. I'm gonna
elegant,
record it. I'm
you
gonna
know?
record
Very
Christmas,
elegant.
baby. I knew you would like it.
Mommy Shine.
You're
Mommy
so
Shine. Mommy Shine.
elegant. Don't touch this.
Give her the other.
Mommy Shine. Say it again. Say it again.
No filter there.
No. Say it again. Say it again.
I don't like.
When you tell us to hand wash this, I'm gonna bring this video up. Come on. Come on.
Handpick.
It's kind of
Oh,
rusty.
I
Okay.
think this is.
Let us see.
Handpick. But then Dad wanted me and Kyle
Yeah,
to share
this
the
is
gift.
from.
From them?
This is from my idea.
No. Ah, this is for you.
We don't even remember what the hell we wrapped.
This is for you, my baby. That is for you. Okay, take 3. This is to Mommy Shine from Kiana and
ahead,
Carlo.
Carla, get that
I'm
stuff for
excited.
Jasper.
Okay. Just
Oh, Jasmine is all the way over there in the pile.
No, get
Look over
that.
here. Alright. Alright, Jasmine, come here. Wait, no, don't open it because Mama Shine wants to. It's very nice.
very nice.
Very, very nice. Very nice.
Look, it makes me more excited now. Very, very nice.
Very, very nice.
Very expensive.
Oh my God! What's this? Oh my God! Yeah, it's very, very, very nice. It's elegante.
Ah! Shoot! Dad, the price tag! We're out of here! Ah! The price! Ah! The price tag was on here.
Oh my God!
And another black belt, Mommy Shine.
Thank you, girls. I love it. I promise.
Grandma.
Who chose this?
Me!
Really? Come on, let's go party, girls.
Did you find what was under the couch for
Urmod from Ukel.
Dad, you gotta put batteries on all of these. Remember that.
Oh.
Oh, dear.
Grandma.
Give it. I'm gonna practice them.
Press that. Press it. Press it.
To
Press it.
Urmod
That's a treat. That's a treat too.
to from 2K.
From each other.
You gotta press it.
Our wedding anniversary motif. Cowboy.
It's another.
No, I'm not opening this. No. No.
Another 2 one.
Yeah, no.
What do you want?
No.
Different.
It's a whole pack. It's a whole pack. That is. Wait.
Oh yes, I got a bunch of box of
This is
chips.
cleaning foam. Serum.
Ooh.
Let me see. Let me look.
Why'd you get a bunch of chips?
Yeah, I got box
The
of
heck?
Serum again. And concentrating moisturizer.
Ay.
You open from here. You pull it.
You pull it out. I
What is
taped
that?
it.
Yeah, of course Dad taped it.
You already had your food. We gave you trees. That's enough. Hey, is this mine?
Ay. Thank you, Mother.
You're welcome.
Let us see what is
Match
this.
with me with pink pajamas.
Yeah?
Do you want to match with me?
You're the one to wrap this, Mother.
I know.
To shine.
That would be your husband.
Wow, what is
I'm
this?
glad now having some
Uy. Uy.
Yeah.
I'm speechless. That's so elegant.
my toe.
Thank you, Mother. Oh my God, did I deserve this? I just.
Me.
Yeah.
She's the one who bought it.
It's so beautiful. Thank you. Oh, di ba? Elegante.
Sure it's turned around here. There you go. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, my love.
What do you think of it? Mother bought it.
Thank you, Mother.
Upside down, you dumbo.
It's beautiful. Oh, please
Behind
be
you.
careful, everyone. This
Over
time,
there.
okay? I will take care of you. Don't worry.
Another button.
It smells so good.
Hex lock.
It smells
Very elegant.
Grandma, I know that this one.
6-piece set.
Oh shoot, it's heavy. Take it out.
So
I'm
small.
headed
So,
down.
oh my God.
So after I wash, put it back over here so that it's not scratch.
I've been headed down,
It
Grandma.
shouldn't scratch. That's why I bought them.
Grandma,
Sean.
I'm
You're
headed
supposed to be
down.
able to use light metal, even light metal in it.
I'm gonna throw my sketchbook at you.
This is to Irish from Ryan. Meaning I have a 2 power bank.
Yeah, you have
Oh
3.
wow.
There's 2 in that one.
Okay, I will share it to you definitely.
Because actually,
So
I
you
bought
can-
that for them,
Oh.
and then I bought this for you. Well, then I saw this, and I was like, oh shit, that's magnetic. And I saw the magnetic one for them, so I bought them magnetic ones also and gave you that one.
Oh,
Which one?
yeah, I will give it to you the other one.
Okay.
Okay.
I figured that you and I would just
Yes.
oh, for this too, because I
What
chose
was
this
this?
for
Small.
you. Yeah, it's small.
From my husband. That's why my husband don't like me to buy lipstick. Is this lipstick? Is this lipstick?
Yes, but it's lipstick.
Thank you. You know that
I hope you like the colors in the lipstick.
yeah, I love it. Oh, shoot, elegante. I like the color black and gold.
It's Yves Saint Laurent, so it should be elegante.
Nice display again. Elegante. Ooh, shusha. Shusha. You know what I like? Wait a minute, let me see the other one. What color is that? Ooh. Dark. I like it.
I went with what I thought would look nice on TV.
Grandma, I can't
You
drop
really
this
love
with this.
you really love giving me a lipstick.
Like I can't drop it because it's supposed to be on glass too.
Open up all these.
Very nice
Honeycomb.
glass. If I drop it, it'll break. Look at this.
Again?
Like I look at the body cream and I'm like, ooh.
Ooh, perfume. Oh, Victoria.
Finest, yeah.
Wow.
Stop on my phone. My phone.
Victoria's Secret. So siya lang nakay ko. What else? A lot? And then you let me shopping before?
That's he spoils you.
Yeah.
Hand me that
super.
card.
This?
You spoiled me a lot. Hair.
Yeah, go ahead.
For the hair. Beauty Insiders. Sephora.
It's free.
What?
I got it for free. When I got it,
Uy, 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 uy,